Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you all are fine as well as healthy. We are learning biology, 12th science biology, chapter number 5, principles of inheritance and variation. Today we are going to talk about the very important question, of this chapter, and today we will talk about the question which is known as the Dihybridcross, or for the understanding of the inheritance of two genes. There is one experiment which is known as the Dihybridcross. It is a question of 5 marks. It is the long and lengthy question and 100% important question according to view of examination of board. And different type of examples and different type of MCQs are there in this question. So today we will talk about a new question, and the title of question is the Dihybridcross. You see here, the title of question is the Dihybridcross. The title of question is what? The title of question is Dihybridcross. It is the most important question, and it is the question of 5 marks. And it is the question of 5 marks. Most important question, and it is the question of how many marks? It is the question of 5 marks. See here, first point we can say that for understanding of inheritance of two genes, Mendel Dihybridcross. It means we can say that with the help of Dihybridcross we are able to understand the inheritance of how many genes? Inheritance of two genes at a one time. Means we are able to understand the inheritance of two different type of characters at one time. So Mendel Dihybridcross for what? For the understanding. For the understanding of the inheritance of two genes. Point number 2, we can say that here total 2 characters. Here we can say that in this type of experiment, total 2 characters are observed. At the same time. Total 2 characters are observed at the same time. So point number 3, if we talk about the first character, so the first character is what? First character is, we can say that, the shape of the seed. The shape of the seed. If we look about the first character, the shape of the seed. This first character having 2 different type of alleles. So the first one we can say that the shape will be either rounded or wrinkled. So first option is round, and second option is about the wrinkled. Round, the sign of round shape is capital R, and the sign of wrinkle will be small r. So you are going to remember the sign of both. Then capital R is there, and here small r is there. That's why capital R is the dominant, but small r is what? Small r is the recessive. While small r is the recessive. It is the first character. Now, if we talk about the point number 4, if we talk about the second character, what about the second character? The second character is what? Second character is, we we can say that first is about the shape. Okay. The second one is about the color of the seed. Color of the seed. Okay. How these characters options are the first option A and second option B. The first option we can say that yellow color of the seed, and second option is the green color of the seed. For yellow color the sign is capital Y, for green color sign will be the small y. So we can say that capital Y is dominant and small y is recessive. Okay. So capital Y is the dominant y, small y will be the recessive. Okay, so these are the different type of, how many different type of 4 points. Okay, so see again we are going to revise the all 4 points for the understanding of inheritance of how many genes. Inheritance of 2 genes. Mendel did what? Mendel did the dihybrid type of cross. So total, how many total 2 characters are observed, okay, at the same time. If you talk about the character number 1 is about the shape of the seed. Okay, round and wrinkle. Round is capital R, the sign of round will be capital R, that's why it is dominant Y. The sign of wrinkle will be the small r, it is recessive. What about the second character? We can say that the color of seed. Okay, the sign will be capital Y, okay, for the yellow, which is dominant, and the sign will be small y for the green, which is what? Which is the recessive. Okay, so you will remember this both are dominant and this both are the recessive. So 4 points are 100% completed. Now we are going to do what? We are going to do the same cross which we have already done during the monohybrid cross. So if we are going to talk about the P generation, means parent generation. You see here everyone, if we are going to talk about the P generation means parent generation. As P generation we are going to take what? We are going to take capital R, capital Y cross with small r, small y and small y. See, it is what? It is genotype or phenotype? What do you think? It is one type of genotype. Okay, it is one type of what? It is one type of genotype, and from this genotype we can get the phenotype. Okay, what is the phenotype of this ball? We can say that the phenotype will be round and yellow. Round and yellow means round shape and yellow color seed. Here we can say that wrinkled and green. Okay, wrinkled and green means wrinkled shape and green colored seed is there. So as parent, okay, we have taken the homozygous dominant cross with the homozygous recessive. Okay, so if we talk about the gametes, then see this both are what? These both are the homozygous. So homozygous will produce the same type of gametes. So here capital R is there and capital Y is there. You know the gametes having the half number of chromosome, because gamete is N type. Gamete is not diploid, it is a haploid thing. And see, remember there is no mixing of capital R and small y. It means there is no connection between R and Y, because R represent the shape while Y represent the color. This the R and Y both are different. Okay, yes, it is true that both are staying with each other, but there is no connection between R and Y, because the character for the R and Y both are not same, both are different, because the one is the characteristic for the shape and other one is responsible for the color. That's why you can write R and Y. Okay, here you will write what? Here you will write the small r and small y. Okay. Now if we talk about the F1 generation, okay, F1 generation, which is known as what? Which is known as the filial one type of generation. Okay, so after the fusion of gametes, we are able to get what? We are able to get the F1 generation. Here capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So it is the genotype of F1 generation. Okay, now see this both are what? Homozygous or heterozygous? This both are heterozygous. Okay, so law of dominancy is applicable here. Capital R is dominant against small r, while capital Y is dominant against small y. It means the round shape is dominant against wrinkle shape and yellow color is dominant against the green color. Okay, so the phenotype will be what? Phenotype will be, we can say that the round and yellow colored seed. Round shaped and yellow colored seed. It is found in F1 generation, which is known as filial one type of generation. Now, as per rule, we are going to do what? We are going to do the self-cross. In all experiments of Mendel, self-cross is there in F1 type of generation. Okay, so here we can say that capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Okay, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Means you can say that it is round colored and round shape and yellow colored seed. Okay. Now here, if we are going to produce the gametes of F1 generation, it is the most dangerous thing. અહીંયા ભૂલ પડવાની maximum શક્યતા ગેમેટ પ્રોડ્યુસ કરવાનો. See this both are the heterozygous. Okay, means heterozygous will form a different type of gametes. Okay, it means we can say that, see here capital R and small r both are there. It means 50% capital R and 50% small r. Okay, 50% capital Y and 50% small y. Okay, because you know that the heterozygous will produce the different type of gametes, but in a same number. The ratio or the proportion, okay, of different type of gametes will be similar. It means we can say that here it will produce, see here, first one capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. We can say that, see here, that 25% chances, means 1/4% chances of production of this type of gamete. Then 25% means 1/4, okay, chances of this second gamete. Third one will be what? Third one 25% means 1/4 chances of this particular gamete. And here we can say that 25% means 1/4 chances of that particular gamete. Okay, so see the parents are the same. So suppose it is a male gamete, then here we are going to write about the female gamete, capital R, small y. Here capital R, small y. Here both capital. Okay, here small r, capital Y, small r and small y. So we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4 male gamete and 4 female gametes are there. Okay, you know what are the possible genotypes in F2 generation? We can get the number of possible genotypes in F2 generation from the gametes. You know that the male gamete multiplied by the female gamete. Okay, means 4 multiplied by 4. It will be 16, not 8. The 4 વત્તા 4 8 થાય 4 ગુણ્યા 4 એટલે 16 થાય. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So in F2 generation we are able to get the 16 possible genotypes. Okay, see here you are not able to use the like these lines. Okay, here Punnett square is required. Okay, so here we can say that using of Punnett square. Punnett square अगर है नहीं हो भाई, using of Punnett square. Using of Punnett square. It is not possible without using of Punnett square. So first of all, we are going to draw this. Okay. total 16 genotypes are possible. Okay, how many total? You can say that 16 genotypes are possible. हमारा तो उस स्केल में टिप्पणी लगाया जा रहा है हमारा मान लगा Okay, so you know that the unit square here we are going to write what here we are going to write all about the male gamete and one side female gamete. Okay, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Here capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r and small y. Round की साइन करो तो साउंड है round sign will indicate that it is a one type of n type of cell. N type means the half number of chromosomes is there, means it is one type of haploid cell. Okay, haploid cell ની સાઇન આ રીતે તમે રાઉન્ડ કરીને બતાવશો. Now see, હવે અહીંયા બહુ ધ્યાન રાખજો કેમ કે મેક્સિમમ ચાન્સીસ છે ભૂલ થવાના અહીંયા. For this here we can say that here first one is capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Okay. Now, what are the number available? This number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. Number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16. Okay, so see here. First one we can say that capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Second one capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Third one capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Fourth one capital R, small r, capital Y and small y. Okay. Fifth one capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Sixth one capital R, small y and small y. Seventh one capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Eighth one capital R, small y and small y. Ninth one capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. 10th one capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. 11th one small r, capital Y, capital Y. 12th one small r, capital Y and small y. 13th capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. 14th capital R, small y, small y. 15th small r, capital Y, small y. 16 small r, small y and small y. So you can say that the total 16 possible what? Total 16 possible genotypes are there. આ છે ને બે વાર ચેક કરવું કેમ કે આટલા વર્ષમાંથી મને આમાં કંઈક ભૂલ પડે છે તમને તો ભૂલ ઓબ્વિયસ પડવાની છે. ઓકે, સો યુ આર ગોઈંગ ટુ ચેક ઇટ ફોર ધ સેકન્ડ ટાઈમ. capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, small r, capital Y and small y. Capital, small. Capital, small. Capital, small. Capital, small. Okay. Capital, small. What? Capital, small. Capital and small. Small, capital. Small, capital and small. Okay, here capital R, capital small, capital small. Here capital small. Here small, capital small. Here small. Okay, so it's all about the what? It's all about the F2 generation. Okay. Okay, it is the possible genotypes of the F2 generation. See, we are talking about the genotype. Now I am removing this. આપણે કાઢવું પડશે કેમ કે તો સરસ આખું જવાબ દો કે આપણે ઘણું આવશે. So see, we are getting what? We are getting the different type of genotypes of F2 generation. આપણી પાસે શું છે? આપણી પાસે F2 generation ના genotypes. Okay, so see, we have the genotypes of the F2 generation. Okay, see here now we are writing what? We are writing the, it is genotype. Okay, this one is genotype. Now from genotype we will write the phenotype. From genotype we will write the phenotype. Total 16 are there. Okay, so we can say that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, 11, 12, okay, number 13, 14, 15, and number 16. Okay, see, these all are the genotype, and from genotype we are getting what? We are going to get the phenotype. Okay, so see here we can say that the first phenotype will be what? First will be the round and yellow. Round and yellow. See, second one will be the round and yellow. Second one will be the round and yellow. Third one will be the round and yellow. Third one will be the round and yellow. Fourth one will be what? Fourth one will be the round and yellow. Okay, fourth one will be the round and yellow. What about fifth one? We can say that fifth one will be also the round and yellow. Fifth one will be the round and yellow. What about sixth one? Sixth one will be the round and yellow. Seventh one will be also round and yellow. What about the eighth one? See, number 8 will be the round and green. 8. Round and what? Round and green. Okay, it is something different. Number 8 will be round and green. What about the number 9? It is round and yellow. What about number 10? Number 10 will be the round and yellow. What about number 11? 11 will be the wrinkled and yellow. Okay, 11 will be the wrinkled and yellow. What about number 12? 12 will be the wrinkled and yellow. 12 will be the wrinkled and yellow. You will write the full name. Okay, space the full name. What about the 13? 13 we can say that the round and yellow. Okay, 14 it's also round and small, round and green. Okay, like this, round and green. 15 is what? Round and green. 15 is what? 15 will be the wrinkled and yellow. Wrinkled and yellow. 15 will be the wrinkled and yellow, like this. And this will be the small r. Small r plus what? Small r plus wrinkled and green. This is also different. Wrinkled and green. अभी क्या चल राउंड करने ग्रीन आवे आपने एक भूल છે બોલો છે રાઉન્ડ એન્ડ ગ્રીન ફરીથી જોઈ લઈએ આપણે કે 3 એવા રાઉન્ડ એન્ડ ગ્રીન આવવા જોઈએ રાઉન્ડ એન્ડ ગ્રીન એટલે સ્મોલ હોય શું હોય છે small y લખવાનું રહી ગયું છે. અહીંયા છે ઓકે, અહીંયા છે small y અહીંયા નંબર 8 માં છે અને 14 small y અહીંયા 6 જો અહીંયા જો ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ ને, જો રાઉન્ડ યલો થઈ ગયું છે રાઉન્ડ ની ઓકે. અહીંયા મારી પણ આમાં કોઈમાં ભૂલ પડી ગઈ છે, તમે ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખો બરોબર છે. એનો તમે સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લો બરોબર. એટલે શું છે કે તમને એ ઇઝીલી સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લો એટલે તમને ઇઝી રહે ઓકે. એટલે જો આ આપણે શું કર્યું, ધીસ ઓલ આર ધ જીનોટાઇપ એન્ડ ફિનોટાઇપ્સ ઓકે. હવે જોવા જઈએ ટોટલ તમને 4 ટાઈપ્સના ફિનોટાઇપ મળે છે. See here we can say that if we talk about the phenotypic ratio, then we can say that total round and yellow 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 plants are round and yellow, round and green 1 2 and 3 plants are round and green okay. Wrinkled and yellow 1 2 and 3 wrinkled and yellow, 3 are wrinkled and yellow, wrinkled and green only 1 is there. So the phenotypic ratio will be 9:3:3:1 okay. 9:3:3:1 okay. Remember the phenotypic ratio will be the 9:3:3:1. In monohybrid cross the phenotypic ratio is what? According to monohybrid cross phenotypic ratio is 3:1 only. Here 9:3:3:1 okay. What about the genotypic ratio? What about the genotypic ratio? याद रखवानुं टोटल 4 types of phenotypes are there. Here you are going to get the 9 types of genotypes are there okay. I am giving you a one shortcut. एक shortcut આપી દઉં તમને હું. ટોટલ 9 પ્રકારના તમને જીનોટાઇપ મળશે ઓકે. જોવા શું કરવાનું, પહેલા કેપિટલ આર કેપિટલ 3 ટાઈમ કેપિટલ્સ, then capital small then small ઓકે. આટલું લખી નાખવાનું. પછી શું કરવાનું, કેપિટલ વાય કેપિટલ સ્મોલ કેપિટલ સ્મોલ એન્ડ સ્મોલ ઓકે. ચાલો આ સાવ ઇઝી છે. જીનોટાઇપિક રેશિયો 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:1 ઓકે. ઓલામાં શું હતું, ઇન મોનોહાઇબ્રિડ ક્રોસ ઇટ ઇઝ જીનોટાઇપિક રેશિયો ઇઝ 1:2:1. અહીંયા શું છે 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:1. સી હિયર 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:1. સાબિત કરી દઉં તમને હું. કેપિટલ જુઓ, ધીસ વન કેપિટલ આર કેપિટલ વાય ઓકે. એ કેવો કેપિટલ સ્મોલ, ધીસ બોથ કેપિટલ આર કેપિટલ વાય small y okay. Now see capital small this one capital R and small y. Now two capital R small r capital Y this capital R small r capital R small r capital Y. 4 time capital small see here capital small 1 2 3 and 4. 2 time capital small capital small 1 time small capital this one okay. Now next one is what, next one is small r capital Y small r capital Y small r capital Y this. And what about the last one is small r small y okay. So these are the ratio. From this, if we talk about the only round and wrinkled, how many are round? 9. wrinkled are 3. Means what? Means 3:1. If we talk about the only yellow and green, yellow, count the yellow. Yellow means what? 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Sorry, round. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, huh? 12. 4 3 12 3 જેમ એક. Yellow and green 12. How many of green? Green 1 3 4. Here also 4. Means 3:1. It's the ratio of monohybrid cross. But you will remember in dihybrid cross the phenotypic ratio is what? Phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. And what about the genotypic ratio? 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:1. બરોબર. આ ક્વેશ્ચન છે એ અટપટો ક્વેશ્ચન છે. અહીંયા જો હજી મારી ભૂલ પડતી હોય એટલા વખતથી તમારી ભૂલ 100% પડે છે. હંમેશા પહેલાં જીનોટાઇપિક રેશિયો લખો, એના પરથી ફિનોટાઇપ બનાવો, બરાબર. ને પછી આ તો હવે તમને આવડી ગયું છે, પણ આ કેમ મેળવવું એ તમને ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. ઓલું તમારે એક્ઝામમાં આ લખી ઓલા ઉપરથી આ લખવું પડે, ટાઈમ વેસ્ટ થાય. સીધું તમે આ લખી નાખો મેથડથી તો જ થાય. પણ આ તમને ક્યારે મળે કે જો તમે સિક્વન્સ આ રાખો ને ગેમેટ્સની તો જ, બાકી બધું ફરી જાય. સિક્વન્સ જો ગેમેટની ફરે ને તો આખું બધું છે તે શું થશે? તે બધું ફરી જશે. ઓકે, સો વી કેન સે દેટ ધ ટુડેઝ લેક્ચર ઇઝ 100% કમ્પ્લીટેડ. થોડો અટપટો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, બરાબર. રિવિઝન કરજો બુકમાંથી. ટુડેઝ લેક્ચર ઇઝ 100% કમ્પ્લીટેડ. આઈ હોપ દેટ યુ ઓલ આર ગેટિંગ ઇટ વેરી મચ ઇઝીલી. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.